Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet all of una according to una time. Yes, my correct people, Nigeria is hot to the extent where be say Reverend Father Bishop can come out. They talk about Nigeria situation. Water don't pass Gary. Oh yeah, make we watch this video together. Meanwhile, if today not the first time we say you come across my channel, you are highly welcome. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate all of you. Now, thank you very much for your massive support. And if you never subscribe, I beg, kindly smash on that subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, you will see notification bell. Touch the notification bell so that anytime we say I drop any new video, you will be the first to notified. And after we don't watch the video finish, make we just go the comment section. Make we just go discuss about waiting the apple for Nigeria. Thank you. Make we watch the video together.
Here with the Catholic bishops of the southeast of Nigeria, we just ended an emergency meeting on the state of the nation, and here we are greeting you, our people in Nigeria and beyond Nigeria. The state of Nigeria in different parts of our country, with so much violence, insecurity, and anxiety, is a source of major concern to us bishops. That is why we had to have this meeting. And in the process, we have addressed a number of issues that are bothering us and which are part of the reason for the worrisome nature of our country today. First of all, the injustice, the insecurity that is very noticeable at various levels of government, and the high-handedness with which government and security personnel approach various segments of this nation. And this has led to a lot of public outcry, public dismay and disappointment. And in the light of this, there are provocations and reactions from the people because they would like government to respond to the genuine needs and outcry of the people. And so we come speaking to you, our people, at various levels of government and across the nation, to see that this nation is in grave danger unless we bring a new spirit, a new approach. So we challenge the government to look into security matters and restrain those who are using weapons of various sorts to intimidate people and to create this unrest. We expect a stoppage of the carnage that is taking place in farmlands in various locations. But we also challenge our people at large to recognize that every human life is sacred, and as fellow citizens, we need to cherish one another, bring a spirit of respect, of mutual appreciation, so as to minimize and eliminate the bad blood that is circulating in Nigeria and that has created this sense of dismay in our country. God created us and made us to live as a great country, but as it is now, this country is a source of dismay across. But we look forward, we rely on God to continue to direct us to the more noble path in this nation.
It is good to note that the lopsidedness of application of justice by the government is worrisome. For example, the government has found it necessary to disarm those who are struggling for self-defense, while leaving those armed herdsmen, bandits, and what have you, who are mesmerizing, killing, maiming, and destroying people. Instead of addressing the source of the problems, addressing the cries of the people, they are crushing those who are crying. The government should be fair in their dealings with the people. We rely on God who never fails. We call on all men and women of goodwill to continue to pray. Nothing is impossible with God. Do not be afraid. God will deliver us.
If the Fulani man dies in war, is different. If a Fulani man is arrested by the authorities and convicted, it's not an issue. What the Fulani never forgets is when he is innocently targeted and killed and the authorities do nothing. He will never forget and he will come back for revenge. This is it. So it's important to understand the context. Even the context of what I tweeted, which had to do with an issue in Plateau State in 2012. I hope you get the context. So it is not a matter of, oh, Fulanis never forget. Of course, everybody that goes through pain and sorrow either forgets or doesn't forget. But when you when it is extrajudicial, when it is extra official, the attitude is completely different. This is the context in which the Fulani never forgets. It's not in every context. As I said, I lost relations during the war. It doesn't mean I still hold a grudge. We've moved past that. We've moved past that. I also lost relations in the Biafran war, but that's war. Maybe it's important to contextualize what I mean.